We have with us Ms. Neha Bisht, founder and CEO of Blue Buzz. Thank you so much for being here today. First of all, many congratulations on the win. What would you attribute your success to?
So I would attribute there are multiple factors actually. Firstly, I would attribute our success to all the clients who believed in us initially, because it was the first few to get on board. That was a challenge, and then my entire team that sort of works tirelessly throughout to deliver campaigns, rather successful campaigns that, in terms of are impact driven. And because of that, platforms like yours recognize our efforts and celebrate us also.
What would you say is that one differentiating factor that led you to this win?
I think for me, it's always been, an intent to sort of look at what is it that could be a differentiator in the market. And this does not keep us in only the PR premise. It's also in the field of marketing. And while we look at delivering campaigns in terms of from success perspective, there's also an innate inertia towards building the company towards growth, expansion, which is not just in our continent, but across the globe. And I think a more collected efforts towards that is what sets us apart in terms of growth, and also in terms of, growth for me as an individual.
Okay. Would you say that women in business still face a hint of biasness in this age and era we live in?
According to me, I don't think there's any biasness. I have never lived with that thought. For me, from day one, it was always about what I bring to the table and looking at the other person in front of me. The gender was merely like a matter of, understanding, but not something that would come in the way of work. For me, at any given time, I really feel that if women have that clarity and the fearlessness, then gender or any other hurdle that we bring in our minds, it's only a matter of that thought that we have to overcome. Definitely give it to women for donning multiple hats and excelling at all of them. I think they do it, so well in balancing family, work, personal life, and, doing it in a way that the world only gets to see the best of them. And while there's so much struggle that goes behind.
Okay, well said. Lastly, what would be that one piece of advice you would like to give to your fellow women entrepreneurs who are looking forward to make a mark in the world of business?
So, firstly, I think congratulations to all of you if you've taken that leap of faith of being an entrepreneur. It's a big leap of faith from an individual perspective. So, for me, you've already begun your journey towards victory. The advice would be the road will get rocky at times. You have to keep going. You have to shut your ears to the world where you will hear noises of you can't do it, maybe you're not good enough. You will also fail. But the spirit in you to keep going is what will bring you to not just one victory, but multiple victories. As someone rightly said, the top of one mountain is the bottom of the other. So, it's an ongoing journey.
Ms. Bisht, thank you so much for being here and for chatting with us. And once again, congratulations.